I tried Transak Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Transak app, I expected a normal crypto wallet. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Transak isn't really a wallet, it's a bridge between traditional finance and the world of crypto. On day 1, I realized Transak's real strength lies in simplicity. It allows you to buy, sell, and swap crypto directly from your bank account or credit card, without needing a separate exchange. Most people get this wrong. They think crypto on-ramps are complicated or risky, but Transak makes it feel as easy as shopping online. By day 2, I had linked my payment method and tested a small Bitcoin purchase. The verification process was fast, and the transfer landed in my chosen wallet within minutes. Transak supports over 160 countries and works with major wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet, all through a clean, web-based interface. Midweek, I tried selling crypto back to fiat. The process was just as smooth, and I appreciated the transparent fee structure. You always know exactly what you're paying before confirming the transaction. By day 6, I tested how secure it really is. Transak is regulated, compliant with KIC standards, and uses bank-grade encryption. They don't hold your funds. Instead, they facilitate direct transfers between your wallet and your bank. That's a big plus for users who value control. After 7 days, the shocking truth is clear. Transak isn't a wallet to store crypto long-term. It's a powerful tool to move money in and out of the crypto ecosystem easily, safely, and legally. If you're new to crypto and want a stress-free way to buy or sell assets without juggling exchanges and networks, Transak might be your new favorite bridge between fiat and blockchain. It's fast, user-friendly, and built for the real-world investor.